Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm sharing a simple DIY hair and scalp treatment that's been helping me grow healthy, longer, stronger hair. So if you're interested, keep watching. But before we dive in, if you're into all things hair growth, skincare, and living your best life, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss a video. Also, please don't forget to like and share if you found this video helpful. All right, let's jump into this tutorial. First thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on some gloves so we can keep things nice and clean. The first ingredient that we're gonna need is 1/3 a cup of fenugreek seeds. Now, fenugreek seeds are awesome ayurvedic ingredients that basically promote hair growth and strengthen your hair from within. It's high in protein and nicotinic acid, which helps with preventing hair shedding, thinning, and balding. It also helps eliminate dandruff. It also helps impart moisture. And honestly, the benefits are countless. I get mine from Amazon. I'll drop a link down below. The next thing that I'm gonna add to this concoction is H2O, because guess what? We need a liquid base for this concoction, and what better thing to use than water? The next thing that I'm gonna add to this concoction is 2/3 a cup of aloe vera juice. Now, y'all know I love aloe vera juice because it has excellent healing properties. It helps with skin cell turnover. It helps with repairing your skin cells on your scalp. It helps with moisturizing your hair and scalp. It prevents dandruff as well. It just basically it basically creates a nice, healthy environment for growth and moisture retention. The next thing that I'm gonna add to this concoction is 1/3 a cup of rose water. Now, rose water is awesome because it has antioxidants, which help with cell regeneration. It stabilizes your hair's pH level, which is another thing that helps with creating the perfect environment for hair growth. It stimulates your hair follicles. It's just another one of those miracle liquids. Finally, I'm gonna add some drops of peppermint oil. Now, you know I overdo it all the time, so I'm adding basically a million drops to this concoction because peppermint oil is the only essential oil that is said to help with promoting hair growth, so I went ham with my peppermint oil. Then you wanna shake it up so that everything is properly mixed, and then put it in your refrigerator for 24 hours. Now, I wanna give you guys a disclaimer that I kind of messed up here and left my concoction sitting for a solid 3 days, which is why my seeds basically absorbed a lot of the liquid. I'm gonna warn you guys against that because if you let it sit over 24 hours, your seeds will absorb a lot of the liquid and the nutrients. But, well, I shouldn't say the nutrients, but it'll absorb a lot of the liquid, which gives you less to work with. So yeah, here I am now separating the liquid from the seeds. I will use a knee-high sock to basically separate, you know, the seeds from the liquid. Because as I said, I left it in too long, so the seeds absorbed a lot of that liquid. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. The struggle is real here. I mean, I wanted to give as much of this liquid as I possibly could because it is just so beneficial to hair growth. So yeah, I'm separating it as much as I can by squeezing the knee high. And then I'll just pour the rest of it into my spray bottle here. The next thing that I'll add is MSM powder because, as you know, MSM powder is, well, you might not know this, but as you may or may not know, it's basically helpful in promoting hair growth. If you look at a lot of your hair growth serums, it actually contains sulfur because sulfur is one of those things that basically help with promoting hair growth. So that's why I added MSM to this concoction. The next thing that I'm going to add is peppermint oil, a little bit more peppermint oil because I had to add more aloe vera juice to this because I wasn't satisfied with the amount of liquid that I had in my spray bottle. So I just added more aloe vera and more peppermint oil to essentially give me more to work with. So this spray lasted for more than just a week. So yeah, that's what I did here. I'm shaking it up so it's pretty much ready for use. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also share it. In my next video, I'll probably show you guys how I use this. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.